Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.03. Buttons are macros. Buttons are categorized by the function or action they perform. Categories are auto filter, clear, DMNS meaning dimensions, example, go to, group, hide or unhide, SLCT meaning select, and more. To see the entire list of macros, enter key sequence Alt-WMV. The example cluster of macros are on the instruction sheet under the topic Example Cost Workup, pedestal. The example macros perform a variety of actions and functions for the purpose of training the user how to use this cost workup worksheet application. Buttons are clustered on sheets, either by their category or by the type of worksheet they service. Go-to buttons on administrative sheets are clustered at the sheet index. Clusters are for administrative, elevation, and cost workup sheet types. Button clusters are located consistently on the sheets. The clusters are placed so you can switch or move around sheets. Primary cluster locations are above the table headers and in column B. This example 1.2.30 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.04.